Hey guys, welcome. I'm Martin here at Game Dev Garage and I'm making games for more than 5 years. I was planning to make some live streams while I'm making game. And this is testing 1, 2, 3. That's all. So if you just want to chat with me, just write into the comment section, chat section. So time to time I'll check there. Oo kanka hoş geldin. Ne haber? Abi oyun daha başlamadı ya. Bitmedi de. Bitmesine çok var da. Ha şeyden bahsediyorsun. Hellcome'dan bahsediyorsun. Hellcome demosu çıkmak üzere ya. Onun demosunu herhalde maksimum bir haftası falan var diye tahmin ediyorum. Diğer taraftan ben başka bir projeyle uğraşıyorum da bizim olağanüstü inanılmaz sürpriz bir projemiz var. Böyle yayın açayım, yayında çalışayım falan dedim ya. Günde bir iki saat en azından. Çünkü çok zaman harcıyorum. Zaman böyle geçiyor gidiyor. Ondan sonra bir de ayrıca hani oturup video editlemek falan. Yani tamam yine bir şeyler editleyeceğiz, yapacağız mecburen de. En azından hani video atamadığım zamanda da hani bir şeyler olsun, bir içerik olsun, böyle bir lamba yanıp sönsün falan diye şey yaptım. Aynen. Unreal biraz bize ileri gelir ya. Yani çok nasıl söyleyeyim. Abi C Sharp'la zor uğraşıyoruz. Bir de hani C++'ın çılgınlıklarına hiç giresim yok ya. Ben çok yıllar önce C++'la uğraşmıştım. Hele bir gidelim bakalım ya. Çok canımızı sıkarlarsa geçeriz Unreal'a. Böyle yapayım da ekrandan. Vallahi abi ben de Blueprint gibi bir şey eee, üzerinde çalışıyorum. Bu şöyle bir şey üzerinde çalışıyorum abi. Bu Behavior Tree denen bir yapay zeka yöntemi. Halo 2 ile birlikte çıkmış bu. Onun makalesini falan yazmışlar Halo 2 yayınlandıktan sonra. Sonra da bayağı dünya standardı haline gelmiş yani çoğu alanda. Bununla şey yapıyorsun. Ee, Yani çok basitçe yapay zeka tanımlayabiliyorsun. Burada mesela iki tane şey var. 2-3 tane zımbırtı var. Mesela şu noktaları tanımlayan not, şu gitmesini istediğim noktaları tanımlayan not. Şu arkadaşımız da bu noktaları sırayla çeken, çektiği noktayı da silen bir not. Mesela bunun yerine şey yapabilirim. Get position yaparım. Position stack'ten position'ı alıyorum. Aynen şimdi çalışması lazım. Aynen. Unreal'da zaten efsanesi var ya şeyin davranış ağacı olayının. Orada tabii bir sürü şey var yani zaten. Biz burada oturup buradan yazıyoruz. Ben şey yapmak da istemedim bu arada. Bir sürü hazır paket vardı. Yani bu işi yapan. Yani bir şey satın alıp kullanmak istemedim. Çünkü genelde onlar bayağı karışık, detaylı şey oluyor. Yani benim ihtiyacımdan çok çok daha fazlası oluyor. Bir de hani öyle oturmuş sistemlerde bu sefer sen o sisteme adapte olmak zorunda kalıyorsun. O yüzden ben hani kendi sistemimize uyacak şekilde bir ufak bir altyapı hazırlayayım dedim. Böyle daha rahat hissettiriyor ya, bilmiyorum yani, belki biraz benim alışkanlığımdan dolayıdır. Ha, daha çok kişi geleceğini zannetmiyorum ya. Bu zaten böyle bir deneme yayını. Hani böyle haftada birkaç kez yapayım, yayın yapayım diye düşünüyorum. Böyle akşam bir saat falan yapsam herhalde faydası olur diye tahmin ediyorum. Kanalı hortlatmaya çalışıyoruz tekrar. Bir yıl aradan sonra. Aynen abi ya, hem işte Discord hem burası, böyle bir mükemmel bir eş zamanlı bir şeyler yapmak gerekiyor. Bizim Cem uğraşıyor onlarla şu anda, işte hem kanalları organize edecek bir şeyler yapmaya çalışıyor. Bakalım yani, aslında Twitch, YouTube aynı anda yapmak lazım. Yani Twitch'te bayağı oyuncu kitlesi olduğu için belki de daha iyi olabilir ama şey diyorlar yani, YouTube'un izlenme sayısı az oluyor ama dönüşüm oranı daha fazla oluyor falan diyorlar. Bakalım, göreceğiz. Ya ben daha çok YouTube'cuyum ya. Yani YouTube'da çünkü bir aradığın bir şey bulabiliyorsun falan. Yani anlattığın şeyin hani tekrar aranabiliyor, bulunabiliyor olması bence kıymetli. Yani Twitch tarafında full sürekli yayın yapacaksın ve o yayın havaya gidiyor. Yani biz televizyonculuk zaten havaya yazı yazmak gibi bir şey oluyor ya. Uçup gidiyor. O yüzden yani öyle. NC object. Yayındayım tatlım. Buyur. Çay mı? Teşekkürler. Hey folks, welcome. This is a super early version of my live broadcasting, live stream game dev sessions. Oh, Game Addict welcome. Ezo bu çok açık. Aşırı açık, bunu içemem ben. Korkunç açık bıçağı ya. I used Cocos Creator and I'm still using it on one of my projects. Let me show you which one is it. Actually, I remember your nickname. Yeah, this is Link. Check this out. This is 100% Cocos Creator game. Actually, Cocos Creator's old version, one of old versions. I think 1.9.3. I'm using Unity right now because I worked on Unity for 2 years because of publishers' requirements. Then I made a lot of tools to make gaming kind of made a lot of tools to use. So for this project I decided to use this one. But actually more important thing is if you have your own tools, you can switch any kind of engine. For example, you can just switch to other engine and use your own tools there or here. It's better to be independent from any kind of engine. Yeah, SpaceKraft is really great game. You should check out it. We are planning it to release probably before the end of this year, after I finish this framework, because we are working on 3 projects at the same time, and this one is a framework for one of our games. The other one is, let me show it also. It's not here right now. It's not published yet on Steam, but you can check the description, and there is a Discord server there named Hellcome. The game's name is Hellcome. It's gonna be live. Its demo will be live in maybe 1 week. Then another project is this one. This is still a secret project. This is of course not the final graphics. This is just a representation of some objects in the game. Yeah. Is that some kind of surprise? I'll stick to Cocos Creator. I just made 8 pages ebooks a while ago for it. Yeah. Actually, Cocos Creator developed a lot. Really well developed in last years. I get really good opportunity to make modifications on native engine code in Cocos Creator, and it helped a lot on saving and loading system in Cocos SpaceKraft. Actually, I really like to be able to touch everything inside the engine. Unity is a closed source engine, you know, but most of publishers asked for this because they have their own SDKs on Unity. So that was an industry standard for hyper casual games. So we'll see what will we do next. Now I am making a behavior tree feature for this game. Actually, this is a framework. I made many nodes here for altering or comparing some variables in the blackboard. Now I want to make can see object node. Now I want to define the field of view of the character and view distance. Then I want to draw that on scene view. So I was just looking for some examples on that. I already know you, but I just couldn't remember your exact nickname here. Luke. Thank you very much. Bro, I will need your marketing assistance for SpaceKraft too. Maybe after I wrapped up things, I want to chat with you about it. Range view distance. I want to get transform of this node. So let's remember. Thank you very much. Objects. Next. Context that transform. Ah, cool. I just copied and pasted the code and I got decent results. Okay, great. It's not bad. I want to add some more. Maybe I can draw a line between this point and this point. 90 degrees field of view. Hey guys, welcome newcomers. So this is my test video for my future live streaming game development videos. So just checking things. If I'm testing myself if I'm able to handle both live streaming and coding and development at the same time. So thank you for joining me. Please feel free to write anything in the chat box. Okay, view distance. Left ray direction, right ray direction. Please don't give that much attention here, because this is really a test stream. So I am also not able to give my full attention to coding. Throw ray from here. Row line from 2. Actually, maybe this is better. This is better. Okay. Maybe I should change this. Left ray, right ray. Actually, the center is my transform position. Left ray rotation. Okay, we have rays here. I wrote one rays here, so I can immediately define left ray direction. Transform position plus left ray direction. Okay. This is left corner. I want to get this point. And I want to get right corner also. Right corner. Left, right direction. Okay. So let's draw a line between those points. Okay, let's see. Oh, much better. Much better. Okay, let's draw some more lines. I don't know, should I do that, but maybe I can add some code here. I want to add 10 steps of lines to define better this area. Actually, this is just a cosmetic thing, but I just obsessed on that. So here I will just divide by step. Okay. I need to multiply it with E. Multiply with I. New distance. That. Okay, maybe. Normally at the end gonna be 1, so I slash I slash. Nothing changed, nothing happened. Distance. Oh, okay. It's not working as I expected. Zero to. This is integer. This is float. So maybe I should test it to float, because if I divide 0 to step, it's gonna be 0. If I divide 1 to step, it's gonna be 0.1 of step. Yeah, this should work. Thank you, Link. Thank you very much. It's good to hear that my super old videos still working well for you. Actually, I was trying to keep subjects timeless, trying to make them timeless, because if I just described some very specific thing in specific situation, so it may not be very useful for future, but I'm mostly trying to concentrate on timeless and things valid for all kind of game engines. So if you learned something on Cocos, you can apply same idea to any other engine. Why Unity, not Cocos Creator? Actually, in the last video I released, I described that why I did it, as I remember. If not, I will do another video for that, if I'm mistaken. I'm using Unity because in the last 2 years we made more than 200 games in my studio. Let me show you my studio here. We made about 100 or more than 100 hyper casual games, and that kind of games are for publishers. If publishers let me just find the studio. Okay. Studio. Yeah, Cracker Studio. Yeah, you can see we made dozens, much more, maybe hundreds of games, and we made these games for publishers to earn money, and of course we were also have share in these games revenues, but most publishers asks for Unity because they have their own SDKs. So in the beginning I a little bit resisted to change my game engine to Unity, but after that we made a lot of tools in Unity, and now I'm mostly using it. But my tools mostly coming from my old projects in Cocos Creator. Let me show you. This is the, maybe you know, SpaceKraft game. Yeah, this game is made by Cocos Creator 100%. I made a lot of tools while I making this game, and most of the tools I'm using in Unity is just ported from Cocos Creator. So I'm working here to make a framework for my future projects. Yes, it's inside Unity, but I am very confident about porting it to any other engine because most of the core is my own code. So I am looking engines as just tools. If you are okay with any kind of engine, you can use it. Especially, I can give you an example. If you are making a game which will work on browser, or if you want to make a mini game that will run inside the browser view, or if you want your game to be super small in package size, maybe HTML5 games, or maybe if you are making playable ads, then Cocos Creator is extremely advantage. Really super smooth. Okay. So why I cannot do that? If we just draw the line in the beginning. Actually, it draws the line. It's okay. I just want to draw 10 lines. Maybe I can just draw that. Maybe that vertical lines. Left corner, right corner. Leave distance. Step is 10. View distance. Maybe I should write view distance divided by the count. Of course, it should be float. Multiplies by I. Sometimes I find myself just trying random things. Okay. Yeah. That was what I was looking for. But I need to have one more line here. Maybe I can just add one to I. Oops. Yes. Okay, now let's increase the step count to see if I can get a decent result. Yeah, this is the view area. Yeah, not bad. Okay, so what if we just change the line direction? Maybe I can draw lines that way. Maybe it works better. Left ray rotation. Position. Let's call this line vector 3 line. Line tip. Left ray rotation. Dot. How can I rotate a rotation? Probably this way. Line root equals multiply quaternion rotate from to yes, let's get Euler rotation. Y-axis 0. Let's write this just for now. Euler, just Euler. Okay, I just want to rotate this rotation to right, just for this tiny step. I want to, if I have 50 steps, so I need to get the angle 1 of 50 of the all angles. Angle equals step angle is this one, and step angle multiplied by I. I just want to be sure, guess it to float. Okay, now I need to get the line tip. Line tip Line rotation multiplied by wave distance. Oh, just wave distance. Line rotation. Left ray rotation. Line. Actually, I don't have line rotation. Okay, we have line rotation, but I need to have the direction. Left ray rotation. Okay, left ray rotation. Left ray direction multiplied by transform forward. Okay, need to multiply this one. Vector 3. Line direction was something like this. Line rotation multiplies forward. Okay, line tip is line direction multiplied by wave distance. Okay. I'm not sure, but let's see. Not bad. Not as exactly I wanted, but not bad. Okay. First of all, maybe we should rotate this one to negative way. So for asking you not follow common naming convention, you have your own. Yeah, actually I am I just have a habit to use that kind of naming convention because I want to see which part is my code and which part is the engine code. So this is just a habit. Maybe it's good idea to use as a regular standard one, but I'm really happy with this way. By the way, my rotation direction was wrong. Okay, let's see. What if we multiply it by 2? Left ray rotation by 2, yes. It's super weird. It's way from my expectations. Step, okay, let's find something like this. Left ray rotation. If you have left ray rotation and so I need a vector directing left edge So the left edge is this one, from here to there, left ray direction. Yeah, let's start here. This is the left ray direction. So I want to actually this is okay. I'm just wrong because this is the direction multiplied with distance, but I need to add transform position plus, because we want to get exact position of line end. Maybe I just can use draw ray here, not draw line direction. Yeah, we don't need line tip right now. We just need the line direction multiplied by view distance. Step angles. Okay, let's check. It was already okay in the first step, but I just made a very little mistake. So it looks okay. So maybe I can decrease the step amount to 20. Yeah. Not bad. Maybe we should just draw a line here, but I don't know, it looks too confusing here. Maybe that was better. The previous one maybe. That looks better. Okay, I will use this. I'm gonna just reduce the number of lines. Maybe 25 is okay. Okay. Let's move forwards. Now I want to be able to check if queried object inside this area. Actually, I will just check it with a raycast and compare some angles. Degrees, 10 meters. For example, here my query object, I will check this one if inside field of view or not. Oops. I just want to copy paste something. Maybe we should use line cast, not raycast. Because the start and end position is already defined. Transform doesn't exist because we are inside behavior 3 node. Transform is here. Do we have something like line cast all? Because I just want to check if we hit that object, the query object. I want to ignore it actually. Line cast. Okay, we don't have anything like line cast all, which will return all the colliders we hit. So I will stick with the raycast all method. From our position to object position, but I want to convert it to a direction vector here. Position minus our position. Actually, we need the length of the ray. So let's calculate the ray actually here. External ray. Yeah, this is the direction. Maybe I should define the direction here. and we need to should I normalize it? I don't know if I should normalize it or not. Let's stay safe. Normalized. Direction is normalized. Distance is the magnitude of that actual direction vector, unnormalized direction vector. Yes, here we go. This is the direction, this is the distance. Okay. Okay, hits. Let's log all hits. Raycast hits. The raycast hit dot collider dot name. Okay, it's okay if we can see name of the collider once we hit. In the behavior tree, I want to check if I can see this object or not. And this is going to be just looping, so I don't need this one. I just want to loop here. Can see object, can see object 10 times a second. Okay. Yes, we can see right now. The log is going crazy. Just I moved out. If I move this one behind something, just a second. We have a problem, Houston. Yeah, we are verbosing everything. I just don't want to repeat it. I want it to be fired only once. Okay, here. This is not going to, oops, this is not going to repeat. Actually, we can just remove this one also. Just once. It's gonna check and log the colliders. Then we will see. Oops. Why we have color change here? Maybe I should just set the gizmo color here before we draw. Okay, gizmo color rules. Color dots. Let's use cyan. Okay, here is the NPC one. Here is the query object. So here it's gonna raycast to this object. We have several problems right now, but I'm just gonna ignore it right now. I will just move this object here. So when it tries raycast, it should just return this one, because there's nothing in between. Necklace object, small health one. Why? Keep things clear. Okay. Can see object, small health object 3. Yes. Let's play. Yeah, it just hits this one and this one. This is the NPC itself. And the other one is the object queried by NPC. Okay. Okay. In the for loop, I will check both the NPC itself and the reference transform we are checking. It's e dots collider dots transform equals context dot transform or this thing equals object to change dot ref. So then continue, else we have a hit. So if we have a hit, we are unable to see, so we should just return failure. Oops. Yeah. if we have a hit and the hit object, the NPC itself or the reference, it's going to be continue querying and skipping this step. If it hits something other than itself or query object, it's gonna be failure because we cannot see the target object. Otherwise we return success here. If we don't have reference object, we are going to be failing. I think it's okay. So here, before this check, I will add an angle check, but later, because it's easier than this one. Okay. So we can repeat. Let me show you. So we can repeat here to see the result. Okay. Let me put it here. Okay. Okay, you can see the green outline means it's succeed. Yeah, if I move this object behind something, it fails. Here it can see, here cannot, here can see, here cannot. Wow. Of course we should now add the angle check, but the main part is okay. Angle and distance check, of course. Great. Break this. Oops. Okay, let's check the distance of object for everything. It is quite easy. Distance. Object to check reference position minus transform position. Vector 3 dot magnitude. Yeah, this is going to give us the magnitude of this vector, and we can check just like this. If view distance is greater than distance, return success. No, it's not success. It's just continue to check. If this is smaller than, return failure. Yeah. If view distance is smaller than the object distance, just return failure. But there's a trick here we can just take advantage of. We have a square of magnitude, and we can check the distance power of 2. Okay, it's going to get rid of square root calculation and a little bit better performance. Square this one. Okay, this is gonna be okay. Angle check. So we need to get the angle from our forward vector. So we have a forward vector here. This is our forward vector. So we need the angles of direction, this one, position minus object position, actually object position minus our transform position. So I don't need to normalize it, I just want to get the angle between them. I need to check this out if there's something ready for use. Yes, angle, vector triangle. Actually, I already have this one, but why it didn't show the suggestion? Vector 3 dot angle, sine and cos, sine the angle between vectors from and to in relation to axis. Don't need any axis relation. Okay, we are just gonna need vector 3 direction. Okay, I think we need to add some scope here. Okay. To prevent any kind of Variable collision. Oops. This is going to be another scope. Okay. Distance. Okay. It's another scope. This is angle check. Rep test. Okay. So we need to half fall to check if we are inside that fall area. Direction and forwards. Loads. Okay. If angle is greater than half full, so we need to return failure. Okay. Angle is greater, fail. If distance is greater, fail. Ray test, if we hit something, fail. Otherwise, success. Okay. Let's see if it works. Okay, şimdi play diyelim. Okay, we can see this object, obviously, and we cannot see. Great, angle check works really well. If we are out of the angle, it doesn't see. If we are behind an object, it doesn't see. And I'm going to check this distance this way. Here is the object. If we are out of the wave distance, what happens? Whoa. I'm moving the wrong object. Actually, this is one. Okay, angle check works, but distance check. Distance check visualized a little wrong. Actually, yeah. This gizmo is not perfectly visualizing the wave angle. So I think we need to update it to the other method. Yes, this one. It was a bit crowded, but was representing the view better. Okay. Yeah. Way much better. So I will need to add lines here. Okay, this guy is here and the reference object is here. So angle doesn't works well. Distance also works well. Yeah. It's red, it's green. Red, green. Angle also works. If we are behind an object, it works. Okay. Can see object thing works well, but maybe we need to change something in the ray cast algorithm, because we are casting rays from the zero height, from the ground. Actually, we need to cast the rays from eye level. I'm gonna need to add something to can see objects, and maybe we can just find the height of our capsule and automatically raycast from maybe 90% of the height. Yeah. Can see object. Or maybe we can just adjust things. I don't know. I think it's better we just use the center of the collider, and in the other side the same thing should work. I was thinking about that kind of situation. For example, if we move this guy here, okay, let's test it live. I'm gonna do a live testing, not just ideation. Okay, I will put my NPC here and this way, and want to change the reference object to that guy. Okay, this is my reference object. So I want to see. Okay. This is NPC 1 and this is the guy we are looking at. It doesn't see because we have some objects on the ground and our raycast hits that objects. Okay, so let me show you. If I move this here, check it out, and it will show green. Okay, because we can directly see that guy. What if we move that guy behind of that box? Normally we are able to see it, but here we cannot see it because we are casting rays from the foot position. You need to cast from eye position, and I don't know, maybe center of object would be okay to test. I just want to make something general. I don't want to adjust everything in here by hand. I just want to accept something is okay, which can be calculated procedurally. And I'm okay if I just cast rays from top of our capsule, or maybe 90% of the capsule and 50% of other objects collider. Okay. So let's define racket start point here. My position is it's gonna get capsule collider. Context. If I need to check if I already have the capsule collider in my context. Not, but I can add easily. Let's add it. Where is the context? Okay. Context dot capsule collider dot height. Capsule collider. Okay. Çarpı. Okay. 90% of collider height. Context dot transform dot position plus. Okay, come on. Sorry. Transform dot multiplied by collider height. Okay. Eye position. So let's update everything in test code. If we see somewhere in reference position, we need to just replace it with eye distance. Eye position. Okay. This is eye position. And we also if we do same thing here, so we can just visualize on gizmo eye position transform position. Okay. There's something wrong with here. Ah, okay, we didn't set the context actually. Capsule collider is undefined. Okay. Yeah. Breakcasts from brain. Maybe 90% is too much. Maybe it is okay to have 80%. Oops. Why it just forgets the capsule itself? Okay. Maybe we can move it a little bit forward because I don't want to interact with any kind of any part of body, or if we can if we hold an object, I don't want to intersect with that. Transform up plus transform forwards multiplied by 0.1. Same thing happened. Why it just removes the collider? Position. Okay. Actually, we should be here too. It is very interesting because it just removes the link from the capsule collider. There's something wrong. Ah, okay. Unleash agents. Okay, somewhere we are just resetting it on validate. Okay. Not bad. It's okay. Maybe a little bit further is okay. Okay, this is our object. This guy is here, and let's see if we can see. I forgot to hit play. I think I forgot something here. High position. High position. I did something really bad. I need to go back and remove. Yeah, I replaced wrong thing. Okay. My position should be context transform position. From context transform position. Okay, so it should work. My position also should be here. I need to add it here. Okay. Okay, here's our NPC. It says I can't see. Why you cannot see, bro? You should be able to see. Should be able to see here. We messed up something big time. Here's NPC. Let's test with a smaller object. This one. Yeah, it works. Green and red, green, red, green. Behind object works. Everything looks okay. I think it doesn't work with this NPC. Let me check it out. I need to add NPC 2 here. It shows red. Maybe NPC is underground. Ah, yes. It is a little bit lower than 0. Yeah. This is why it doesn't work. So let's fix target position to be center of the other object, or maybe top of the object, huh? Yeah. Okay. Eye position is here. Vector 3, target position is gonna be, normally it was like this, ref dot position. Okay, here is our position. We need to calculate target site position in ray test section, because we need its collider. Here we already have its collider for the hit calculation. Target position should be hit eye dot collider okay, first we need to check. Sorry, we need to calculate the hit position here before any kind of colliders. So first of all, let's get the collider of target object if it has any. Collider equals check dot ref dot get component collider. If collider is not null, we're gonna update our position thing. Notes of collider equals collider dot it doesn't have height. So how can I get the height of the collider? It doesn't have a height. Collider. World based bounding volume of the collider. Maybe I can use bounds. Can I use just bounce center? Let's try bounce center. collider bounce center. What do we have other bounds? Okay, just use center. The position target position is gonna be bound center. Okay. Target position. If we have a collider, it's gonna be center of this collider. Otherwise, it's gonna be the position of the transform itself. Okay. Now we should use just this thing in everywhere. Direction, magnitude, eye position, direction, distance. Okay. Collider. Okay. Let's check if it works. I'm getting super weird errors while I'm working with the tree view. There are dozens of bugs, but I don't want to mess with them because I have a lot of things to do before that. Okay, so we have the NPC2 as reference object. It's here. Now it looks okay. Maybe we can check that way. Yeah, let's put it here. Maybe here. Yeah, it's green. Here it's red. Here it's green. Here very far it's red. Here it's green. Here it's not gonna be green because center of its bound still being under the top of the box here. So I will accept this as okay because we can fix it later, or if we need that much detail in our game we can go in depth. For example, we can calculate head position or height of the maybe I can just use top of the bounds. What do you think? But it's gonna be very tricky if the player if an NPC is here and just crouched. If you can see the head, very small part of the head, that is going to be accepted as can seen, but we don't want this always, or so I will accept the middle of the collider, middle of the bounds is okay for just testing the visual contact. So I'm just accepting this as okay. So for example, maybe we can just use this as a reference, this a little larger object. Let's see if it works. So NPC1, come here. Okay. The reference object should be this one. Okay. Let's choose the NPC1. Okay. Can see. Move it here. Cannot see. Move it here. Cannot see. Move it here. Still cannot see because it's really big obstacle. If you move it here, we can still see. Check this out. We are behind that object, but center of bound will still be in eye contact. So I think this is more than okay. At least we don't have any stupid small object bug here. Okay, let's check this way. It's on its sides. Here, yeah. It reports cannot see. It reports cannot see, can see, cannot see, can see. Okay, I think it's okay. Yeah, that's fair enough. Hey Angli, welcome. Yeah, from now on I will be live streaming probably a few times a week, and I want to release one devlog video each week. Probably will be the short summary of what I developed in that week. So yeah, if you have time, just join me with these live broadcasts. So I just want to fix one thing that I don't like. After that I will finish today's session. Here I didn't like the eye view of that field of view area, eye height. So I will just reduce it to ground. Forward, up. I don't know, maybe I should just draw a frustum. Do we have something like that? Oh, we have draw frustum. Vector center. Draw a camera frustum using the currently set gizmos matrix for its location and rotation. Alright, I'm not gonna spend that much time on this. Context. By the way, the cyan color is too much. Okay, this is better. Yeah, I think it's okay for today. I am really tired. I was already coding maybe for 8 hours, 10 hours, I don't know. So thank you for joining me today's episode. See you in the next video or next live stream. Bye bye guys. Take care.